Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a denim quilt out of old blue jeans. So what you're going to go ahead and do is make your pattern. You can make a square any size you want, but I'm making 8 inches by 8 1/4, but I realized that I should have just made it all a perfect square, 8 inches by 8 inches. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is trace around my square on my blue jeans and cut out as many as I would like. I ended up cutting out squares from 3 dark jeans and 3 light jeans. And if the pants actually fit you, then you can go ahead and cut off the excess, roll it up, and have yourself a new pair of shorts. Once I have all my squares cut out that I would like to use, I'm going to go ahead and lay out my pattern that I would like to make it, and I'm just going to do this checkered pattern, altering the light jeans from the dark jeans. And we're going to start off by sewing the rows together by taking each of the squares, putting them right sides together, and then sewing down. Repeat, put them right sides together, pin it, sew it, repeat, until each line is done. I made a very small throw blanket, so I did 5 rows with 6 squares in each row. So what we're going to go ahead and do is take your rows that you have finished, and you're going to put them wrong sides touching, pin them together, making sure to match up the seams as much as possible, pin it, and then go ahead and sew it together. Once it's sewn together, you're going to have this raw edge on the outside. And as you notice, I have some overhang. That's because one of my jeans stretched and the others didn't, so that's okay. I'm just going to cut it off later. But now what I'm going to do with this raw edge is go ahead and make little clips into it all the way down, just so it's easier for it to fray. And now I'm just continuing up my blanket, doing all my rows and putting them together, making sure that I alternate my patterns. Here's what the top piece looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure all the edges are straight. So I cut off all the excess that was on the sides, and now I'm laying it right sides touching my fleece, and I chose white fleece, and I'm pinning it down on top of it. And now I'm just cutting out my fleece to match with the denim top. Now you're going to sew it all the way around, leaving an opening to flip it right side out. Clip off all your corners so that you have a sharper corner when you flip it right side out, and then go ahead and turn it. Making sure to push those corners out. Now it's time to close up that hole at the bottom and go ahead and top stitch it all the way around this blanket. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Are you sleeping? Is he comfy? You snoring?
I just love how this blanket turned out because it's heavy and it's soft, so it makes you feel really comfortable if you're needing something to comfort you. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.